Welcome to our tutorial on tab order. First, let's run our program. As you can see, our focus is on the button. When I press the tab key, see where my focus moves. It moves around my form to text box B and then A. As you can imagine, this is not the most logical order for a user. What we want when we start this program is that the focus lay with text box A. After a tab key is pressed, it'll move to text box B and then onto the button. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to arrange the order of the focus. Okay, let's go to our form window. Select text box A. Now let's go to the tab index property. To have the focus appear here when the application is launched, the value should be 0. Select the next box and enter 1. Now let's move to the button and enter the value 2. The label control also has a tab index property, but it's not relevant in our current application. Another and faster way to assign the value to the tab index property is to select View and select Tab Order. Now I simply click on the controls in the order that I want the focus to move. And let's run our application again. First, we have the focus on text box A when the application is launched, then B, and then finally to the button with each subsequent press of the tab key. And this concludes our tutorial about tab order.